Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase business insights with Tableau, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading and installing Tableau desktop from the official website. Launch Tableau and select the appropriate data connection option based on your source. Connect to your data by choosing a file, server, or other source type. Once connected, Tableau will prompt you to select the specific dataset you want to work with. Review the data structure in the data pane on the left side of the interface. Drag and drop your chosen dimensions and measures into the rows and columns shelves to create a basic view. Utilize the Show Me panel to explore different visualization options that best represent your data. Customize your chart by editing titles, labels, and colors for better clarity and appeal. Incorporate filters to narrow down your data views according to specific variables or criteria. Create calculated fields to derive new insights from your existing data by applying formulas as needed. Utilize Tableau's dashboard feature to combine multiple sheets into a cohesive visual display. Add interactivity by incorporating actions such as filters or highlight actions across the dashboard. Evaluate your insights by examining tooltips and details in your visualizations for deeper understanding. Utilize the Analytics pane to take advantage of advanced features like trend lines and reference bands. Save your work periodically to avoid data loss and ensure your progress is ongoing. Publish your dashboard to Tableau Server or Tableau Online when you are ready to share insights with stakeholders. Regularly update your data connections to ensure your insights remain relevant and accurate over time. Familiarize yourself with the community and forums for ongoing support and new ideas related to Tableau. Review tutorials and best practices to continually enhance your skills and understanding of data visualization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.